Hiya.
Hello.
How you doing?
This is Eminem 803, Elmo's song, and Connor
Marcus.
Okay. Okay, today we'll be showing you our airsoft grenade. We're not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll give it a shot.
Oh, and I'm Evil Sasquatch 5.
Not very popular.
No spaces, no spaces left. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take some vinegar with about 300 BBs in a bottle and a plastic stuff.
Easter vinegar.
And now there's a tissue with baking soda inside it. So we're gonna take that off and go like this.
Blow!
There's the bottle. And this is not water, this is vinegar.
It smells like pickles.
Apple vinegar. Wait, what's it called? I don't know.
Vegetable vinegar, I think.
No, like, I think apple vinegar or something works. And here's the baking soda. Connor, shut up. No one has stupid comments.
Crap.
So now, what we do...
Okay, I'm going to go over here so you can get a close-up of the explosion.
is
Where are you going to throw it?
just at the ground.
Right there?
I don't know, in the middle. Just nearby. Okay, so now you just push that in. Just let that defrost. Mulch. Now the bottle's getting inflated.
OMG. Yeah, man.
Okay, the thing won't break.
Why didn't you just cut it in the first place?
Open up the cap.
What are you doing?
Do it, Michael. Do it. Hi, it's Elmo.
Okay? Okay.
Okay,
Now watch
throw it right at...
Ah! Crap!
Just take up the lead. Man, we've been sitting here for like almost an hour now. Oh my god! Oh my god!